Sorry I ain't posting. I've been busy working. As you can see, I'm in the party bus. Y'all ain't never seen it. Y'all seen it. But anyway, yeah, I'm only eating one meal a day now. I decided to start doing that. It's called OMAD. It's been working. You know, you fast for about, I don't know, 12 hours or so. You eat one meal. You get all the nutrients you need in a meal. Then I'll have water and maybe like some nuts or something like that, like some walnuts or some almonds or something. I'm just out here chilling right now, waiting on my papers. Man, it took a long time to get down here. Boy, people can't drive worth the hell down. Boy, it was can't drive day and everybody was celebrating like Jesus. On the plus side though, you know, extreme body shaping after that one meal, I need to go right there. I hop my ass to the body shaping, you know what I'm saying? But it's nice out. I'm just chilling. I'm just out here. This is my documentary. I got the website coming soon. Oh man, it's gonna be litty. I might just be focusing on the website because all these other platforms, bullshit, Instagram, locked me out of my account for no damn reason. So I'm gonna see if I can get on tomorrow. But if I can't, shit, fuck it. I told y'all, I be telling y'all some shit, bro. They wouldn't do this extra shit if I wasn't telling you nothing for real. I ain't even worried about it. I knew one day they gonna do that bush. But, hey, anyway, when this website come out, I ain't gotta worry about none of that. Oh, you gotta block, you gotta, fuck all that. So, how y'all doing, though? I'm good, man. I'm chilling, bro. Enjoying this beautiful air. It's nice outside, man. Sometimes sitting in the night, just out here, chilling with the moon, you know, the spaceship, command center. Look, command center just sitting there looking like a half cookie. I wonder what they be doing up there. Oh yeah, we gotta get some more souls. We gotta put them souls back. Reptilian ass, all them beings that want to see us stay. Now, number 2, yeah, when that sun hit, all that shit y'all been doing, y'all finna get all that. That's why I ain't tripping on that no more. Cause when that sun come, shit, oh my god, my skin. What's going on? Why can't I do anything outside anymore? Cause your ass ain't organic. That's why. You gonna see soon. So, don't worry about none of that extra they doing, cause they finna be fricasseed and fried, extra crispy and tied on that grill, the sun grill. I'll try to post something on the way home or something. We'll see what's up. But love y'all. Deuce.